Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth review about this AI-powered photo editing platform, which is YouCam Perfect. So let's get started with the breakdown and the analysis about this platform. YouCam Perfect is an AI-powered photo editing app designed for quick and flawless selfie enhancement in 2025. It stands out for its advanced yet beginner-friendly tools like one-tap skin smoothing, face reshaping, eye bag removal, and teeth whitening. Users can also change background automatically, erase unwanted objects from photos, and apply animated effects on trend filters with ease. The app even includes AI avatar generation and beauty photos editing. The features are supported by AI that detects facial features and photo elements instantly, make the process smooth and accessible, even for people with no editing experience. It's especially popular among content creators, selfie lovers, and casual users who want high quality edit without complex tools. So, YouCam is perfect and free to download, but its most impressive tools like HD export, watermark free, safe, full retouching features, and premium effects are locked behind a paid subscription. While the free version offers enough for basic edit, frequent users will likely need the premium plan to get full value. Pros include quick AI editing, excellent object removal, regular content update, and strong background replacement. However, users complained about watermark on free export and its risk of unnatural result. Its effects are overused. Overall, it worth it in 2025 if you want fast professional level edit for selfie and portrait. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this photo editing platform. And find a video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.